So I wanted to talk about something. Let's take a walk. I wanted to talk about bursitis. Bursitis is the go-to junk box diagnosis for especially orthopedic doctors, primary care physicians, even physical therapists. It's just a way to tell you that something's going on. So common areas where you hear bursitis diagnosis is shoulder, elbow, hip, and knee. Those are the 4 areas of bursitis. And what it does is one of those type of diagnosis that just appeases the insurance company. It doesn't tell us anything. In order to get an accurate idea of what's going on for your diagnosis, you need a tissue-specific diagnosis. So you need to know exactly what's going on. So if you've been diagnosed with bursitis of any of these areas, all the doctor really said is, hey, there's some swelling here, but they haven't actually interpreted what's really going on. The attention is in the details. And the way the system is set up, everyone has to fit into this mold of whatever the diagnosis is, whatever the insurance companies want, and then the treatment is dictated based off of that instead of what you actually need. So if you've been dealing with a problem for a long time and the number 1 diagnosis they tell you was bursitis, that doctor's wrong. He didn't set you up well, and he's just trying to keep that insurance company happy. And when the insurance company's happy, you don't get a full resolution for your injury. So hope you guys are having a wonderful day and a wonderful night, and we'll see you bright and early tomorrow morning.